Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money to other players in GTA 5 Online. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Interaction menu. Hold down the touchpad on your controller or press and hold the M key on a PC. This will bring up the menu on the left side of your screen. Next, scroll down and select Inventory. This will open the Inventory submenu. From here, navigate to Cash and select Share Cash from Last Job. Now, choose the player you want to send money to. A list of players will appear, showing those eligible for a transfer. Highlight the recipient and adjust the percentage using the navigation keys. Once set, select Accept at the bottom of the list to confirm the transaction. Remember, you can only share cash earned from recent jobs, and Rockstar limits how much you can transfer at a time. If the option is unavailable, it means your current funds are not eligible for sharing. So that is basically how you can transfer money to other players in GTA 5 Online. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.